515 Lillian Way. We are back. There's little paper. Laundry room's in there. Trash. And I want to make a note of the beautiful rose bushes over here. They're just beautiful right now. And there's also, there's a fence, and then there's a little banana tree. Those are little baby bananas. And something at night always makes a lot of noise behind this fence. I do not know what it is, either an animal or a person. And one day I had to actually climb on this tree trunk in order to get through this window because I forgot my keys at work and I desperately needed to take something to Kathy. And I got stuck on this very rose bush. Okay, let's make our way in.